So we got this guy all stripped down, and the transmission's off, and everything's unhooked. So we're ready to pluck that guy out of here. And yep, we got that. And I am doing some plate marking stuff over there. So if you hear some loud buzzing noise in the time lapse, that's probably what that is. I'll do my best to edit that out. Yep, it's time to pull this guy out and do the post-mortem and see if this is just my imagination. That'd be great. But I don't think it was. I mean, my ears work okay for a guy that has had a lot of things explode around his head, but pretty sure that's a knock. So anyway, just rambling for the sake of rambling. We'll get this guy out. Check out that transmission. That's a sexy transmission. Okay. What do you got? Can you bring it here? Can you bring it here, monkey? Bring the stick. Get the stick. Come on. You got to give it to me if you want me to throw it. Come here. Bring it here. Are you ready? Dog loves playing stick. See how loud that is? So loud. Alright, so we got the engine out of the car, and we're done cutting stuff on the CNC plasma cutter, and it was loud and horrible. Like 2 hours. 2 hours. But here's the engine. Sure looks good. It doesn't look like rod knock, does it? So yeah, I just plucked this guy out, and I really haven't done anything except try to knock some of the dirt and dust off. Just keep shit from getting in the engine, try to keep it a little cleaner. What we'll do is set up the camera, and we'll start taking everything apart. I still have to drain the oil, take a look and see what that looks like. Yeah, so here's a little tip. You guys can take these bolts off of this back cover before you throw the engine hoist on. It just makes it a little easier when you go to take it apart. Also, spacers help. If you can space this guy off a little bit, I'll give you a little more room to work with. But that's it for my helpful hints and tricks, tips and tricks. Hey, hey. Yeah, you gotta take both the lenses off the camera or it will not work. So here is what we're looking at. These guys are looking pretty consistent around. And the walls, there we go. That's just my fingerprint right there. But they look pretty decent. Let me bump this guy. We'll take a look at this other one because I'm kind of wondering myself. Let me put you down for a second while I struggle. It's gonna just fall. Yeah, looks fine. I mean, they're a bit shinier than I like to see. It'd be nice to have a little crosshatch on them, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Anyway, so that's the block, ladies and gentlemen. Interesting. So let's see, can we take this off? So this side here is just really more of the same. It's kind of funny that I just had this valve. You see, notice the color of the valves, the exhaust valves, and then this guy is the same as the other one, which is odd. I don't know. I mean, if it was designed ill, it would be on the opposite side, but they're both in the back, so I don't know. I wonder if it's because when I make all the boost, all the fuel has to go that way, or all the air. None of that makes sense, but that's all right. So, so let's see. The cylinder walls, you know, a little shinier than I like. Maybe I'll hit it with a dingle ball hone. Maybe I won't. I don't know. It's funny that this is the cleanest piston of all of them, by far. So, yeah. Anyway, yeah, so there we go. That is the top end. I think I'll probably yank out the lifters and all that stuff. But I think I'm also losing light. I'm not sure what time it is. And my battery's running out. Let's check the time. Let's do a time check. It is 5:30. So I think that means we got about a half an hour, 45 minutes more of light. And I am tired of fighting mosquitoes, so I think what we're going to do is shut down the outside operation and move it all into the garage for now. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.